Today on TechUnboxPro, we're taking a closer look at the Sony Xperia 5 III, a compact flagship designed for users who want power, portability, and professional camera performance in one sleek package. Sony has always been known for its unique approach to smartphone design, and the Xperia 5 III carries forward that legacy with impressive refinement. It starts with the beautiful 6.1-inch HDR OLED display that delivers exceptional brightness, vivid colors, and a 120Hz refresh rate for incredibly smooth visuals. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or consuming HDR content, the experience feels immersive and premium. Inside, the Snapdragon 888 5G chipset ensures that every task is handled with speed and stability. Even in 2025, the device remains a top performer thanks to Sony's excellent software optimization, which keeps animations fluid and multitasking responsive. Heavy games run effortlessly, and the heat management is noticeably better compared to many competitors from the same era. But the biggest highlight is, without doubt, the camera system. With triple 12-megapixels lenses engineered with ZEISS optics, you get pro-level shooting tools right in your hand. Features like real-time IAF, object tracking, and the dedicated Photography Pro and Cinema Pro modes offer creators full manual control. Whether you shoot in daylight or low light, the results are sharp, color accurate, and naturally detailed. Sony's image processing focuses on realism rather than heavy artificial sharpening, which makes images look more professional. The 4500 mAh battery performs well, easily lasting a full day of mixed usage. Fast charging ensures quick top-ups, and Sony's adaptive charging system extends battery life over long-term use. The phone's compact size makes it easy to use with one hand, and the dual front-facing stereo speakers create a rich audio experience for gaming and videos. Overall, the Sony Xperia 5 III continues to stand strong even today. For users who love compact phones with serious performance and powerful camera tools, this device remains one of the best choices. Stay tuned with TechUnboxPro for more premium tech content, and make sure to subscribe for daily mobile videos that help you choose the perfect device.